Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're solving a problem that affects a lot of creatives out there. You've got a hobby, drones, robotics, photography, maybe even a CNC control panel, and you need a monitor. You go online and they're 100, 120, sometimes even more, for a portable 7-inch screen. But here's the thing, you can buy a 7-inch HDMI LCD for about $27. So what's the catch? It's just a raw board and a LCD. No way to attach it to a tripod or a robot. So let's fix that. Here's what I came up with. A clean, simple 3-part enclosure designed to protect the screen, hide the driver board, and mount to just about anything. The assembly uses M2 by 6mm self-tapping screws, which is why having one of these screw assortment kits is gold in the shop. This enclosure has 2 patterns of 4 holes. Each is on 1-inch centers. That means you could make brackets for tripod mounting, remote controller mounts, or even magnetic bases. For this one, I designed a simple printed stand. But honestly, you could mount this to a drone controller, a robot arm, or even your workbench. The back enclosure holds the PCB and gives access to a Type-C plug and a HDMI. The back enclosure mounts with 4 screws and gives access to a Type-C connector for power and a full-size HDMI port. A $27 screen, a few ounces of filament, and 8 screws. And now you have a fully mountable field monitor. This is why I love building instead of buying. Let me know in the comments, what would you have done differently? Would you add a battery, a sun hood? If you'd like the files, let me know. I might be able to post them. Let's test it on something fun. Here I'm connecting it to this Elephant Robotics arm. I picked this up used and it was missing the stand and gripper. So of course I printed those too. That's the thing about 3D printing. If it's missing, you can just make it. This one has a built-in Raspberry Pi 5, so it's basically a tiny computer. Only problem? Half of the software doesn't work, and the other half is not in English, which makes the setup a little adventurous. But hardware-wise, everything works great. A nice bright display, clear image, and all in for about 1/4 of retail price. If you enjoy practical builds like this, hit that like and subscribe. It really does help this small channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.